Yeah, how do I get this one on canvas? In this tutorial I will show you how to paint a fried egg, and it's easier than you might think. First of all, eggs come in many shapes and sizes. You can copy the shape provided here in the video or do one yourself. Brushes and colors that I used here are down below in the video description. So get your canvas and brushes ready and let's get into action. Hold on, before you start, you might want to watch the whole video once before doing it yourself. That way you will get the overall idea on how to structure your workflow. As an important note, this painting works by having strong brush strokes, so don't be a perfectionist. It's time to show you how to get this one on that one. Alright, we will start with the center and paint the egg yellow first. Just add yellow and orange together and create your first roundish shape. Don't worry if you paint over the lines of your sketch at any point during this session. They only give us an overall idea about the shape of the object that we are painting. Next step on our list, paint an outline on the bottom side, just a yellowish orange line. This one is optional. You can play with colors in the background here. This can give the viewer something to move their eyes across the painting. I like to add red on the right and yellow on the left side. You can add as much paint as you want and go as close to the center as you want. Our next step is to paint the background with dark brown. Combine your dark brown and red together for now. Don't worry if your brush strokes hit the egg or if color sprinkles all over your canvas. You can fix everything later. Our next step is to paint the egg white. You can use your white and go along the shape. Maybe take the same brush which you used for the egg yellow. If your brush is dirty from another color, it can have a nice effect, especially when you paint wet in wet and smear colors into one another. Just juggle around a bit. The white and the dirt creates a nice texture for the viewer. You can form the shape of the egg here by either going with your white into the brown or vice versa. Wiggle around with your brush. A fried egg isn't always perfectly shaped like the one I painted here. Let's head over to our background one last time. We can add a couple of darker lines or brush strokes on top of it. Combine your dark brown, red and dark blue together to shift it more toward a black and simply paint over. You don't need to paint over all areas, just a few, so that it adds more contrast. If you took away too much from the egg white, you can go back and simply add more white again. Smudge colors together to add more texture. As a finishing touch, you can add a highlight to the egg yellow. Et voila, that's it! Time to show you some results. This painting is done quickly, so I can show you some variations that I did. I would suggest doing more than one, maybe in different sizes. That way you can have a nice looking series of eggs. Brilliant! Look at this one! Or that one! Or this one! Or that one! If you liked today's episode, click on the like and subscribe button. That way you will get notified when the next video is coming out. If you want to see a tutorial on something specific, then write down below in the comment section and let me know. Thank you all and bye bye.